guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my first video in LWC tutorials. In this video we will learn how to create a first new project in Visual Studio Code and how to authorize an org with your Salesforce org. That means how we can connect the Visual Studio Code with your Salesforce org and how to create your first new LWC component in Visual Studio Code and how to deploy the LWC component in your Salesforce org. So let's get started. So now we will cover the first point. So I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. So this is my Visual Studio Code. So firstly we will create a new project. So go to the view option and click on the command palette. You can see that there is an option create project with manifest. So whenever you will create a new project, so you have to choose the option create project with manifest always. So you have to click on that. So click on that and click on the standards and give the project name. So I'm giving the project name like my first project. So this is the project name and enter. Now you have to choose the directory where you want to store your project. So now I'm choosing my directory there. So I want to store in this folder and create project. So you can see that. So now my project has been created with the name my first project. This is the project name and I have covered the first point. So we will cover the second point, how to authorize an org with your Salesforce org. So now go to the Visual Studio Code, go to the view and click on the command palette and choose the option authorize an org and click on that. So you can see there many options. So if you want to log in the production, so you will click on the production, and if you want to login in the sandbox, so you will choose the sandbox option. So now I am logging in the production, so I will click on the production option and you can write anything there to login. So you can write anything there like I am giving or 1 and click on the enter. It will redirect me to the login page. So now you can see that there is my Salesforce or credential. So now I am logging in. So after logging in and you can see that it is, so now I am logging successfully and you can see that authorize an org successfully. That means my Visual Studio Code connected with the Salesforce org. So this is my second point has been covered. So now we will cover third point, how to create your first new Lightning Web component in Visual Studio Code. So now go to the Visual Studio Code. So we will create the new Lightning Web component. So go to the view and click on the command palette and click on the create Lightning Web component and give the component name. So like I'm giving the component name my new first LWC. So the so now I'm giving the LWC component name. This is the my LWC component name and click on the enter and you now again click on the enter. So now my LWC component has been created successfully. So this is the JS file of the LWC component and this is the HTML file of my LWC component and this is the meta XML file of my LWC component. So in the meta XML files you have to give the some property to expose your component in the Salesforce org. So if you want to expose your component in the Salesforce org, so you have to give the true. And if you want to use your LWC component in the Lightning record page, so you have to give some properties. So I'm giving that property targets and target. And if you want to use your component in the lightning app page, so you have to give the lightning app page. And if you want to use your lightning app component in the record page, so you have to choose the lightning record page option. So now you can use your lightning web component in the record page. So and you go to the HTML file. So like I'm giving some HTML lightning card and giving a paragraph like and I am giving some content like this is my first LWC component. So we will deploy my LWC component in the Salesforce org. So right click, there is an option deploy this source to org. So when you will click on that option, so your LWC component will be deployed in your Salesforce org. So now I'm click on that. So you can see that deploy source to org successfully. So that means your LWC component has been deployed in your Salesforce org successfully. So now we will check now. So this is my Salesforce org, and I want to use that LWC component in the account record page. So I will put that LWC component in the lightning record page. So you can search there LWC component. So my LWC component name is my first my new first LWC component, and you can see that. And I will drag and drop on the record page. And now I am saving it, and I will refresh the record page. So you can see that this is my LWC component.